Summer's here, which also means tons of people are starting to fire up their grills. And if you're looking for a grill brush, this one right here is an electric grill brush that has been sent to me free of charge for this review. I wanted to show you everything you get in this box and how it works. So this right here is what your brush is going to look like. This is with the steel wire on it, and you do want to be very careful with this brush head because it is very, very pokey. That is also why they have provided you with some safety gloves as well. So the way this is going to work is we have a power button right here. So first click, that's going to be in the highest mode, medium, and then low based on how dirty your grill is going to be. I really like that this is electric also because you're not going to have to do much of your own scraping and scrubbing to get your grill cleaned up. We do also have a button right here, so you're going to be able to turn it in the best position that is going to get your grill the cleanest as possible, get into all the nooks and crannies and corners, and get it all cleaned up. With this being a 2-in-1, we do also have a separate head. The way you're going to take this one off is to simply lift up on the ring and pull. The other one is just going to slide right into place the same exact way. Then you're going to be all set. This is going to be your polishing brush. So it's kind of like a scouring pad. It's not as rough as the wires, but it does have just a little bit of coarseness just to help polish everything up, get it as clean as possible. Last thing about this is it is rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about any batteries, and they do provide that charging cable for you. You're going to know how charged your grill brush is by these LED lights on the bottom here. Overall, really nice grill brush. Even if you don't need a grill brush, Father's Day is coming up. You may be looking for a gift for a dad out there. This is something he's going to love if he frequently cooks on the grill.